everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another eye tutorial for you guys. I did this smoky brown look yesterday and I really liked it, but I did a different lip. At first I did a nude, but today I went ahead and did a gray lip, kind of just to make it different. So it's looking like a semi-grudgy fall look, simple and sweet. So in this video, of course, I just filmed me doing my eyes and of course applying my lipstick. So this tutorial is going to be very quick and simple. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to share with all your family and your friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.
it, girl, you got it. Pretty little thing, got a bag and wallet. Got a wallet. Pretty little thing, got a bag and wallet. Got a wallet. Girl, you got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it.